Managing all those repetitive day-to-day tasks and making sure they're completed on time can be quite challenging. So let's learn how to create a series of recurring tasks in Guesty, apply them to the right properties, and assign them to team members, all in one place. Keep in mind, in this video, we'll focus on calendar-based tasks suited best for maintenance and reminders, and not on auto tasks, which are more cleaning and room readiness oriented. To create a new task, click the plus icon right here and choose New Task. Now, give the task a title, choose the type of task, and then specify when the task should take place. When selecting a specific time, enter the date and time you would like the task to start, and if needed, the task's expected duration. If you prefer the flexible option, set the start and finish dates and times, and the expected duration of the task. That way, the team member who will perform this task can decide when to complete it within the time frame you set. Keep in mind, all the time settings are saved and displayed according to your time zone. Now you can choose to make this a one-time task or schedule it to reoccur automatically, daily, weekly, monthly, or customized to fit your needs. Next, to make sure team members understand what needs to be done, add some details right here. You can also provide them with a list of to-do items which they can cross off as they go along. Once you've created an item, press Enter on your keyboard to add another, or just click Add Item. Here, you can upload some documents or images to explain the task even further, rename the files, or remove them if they are no longer needed. Now set the task's priority in this dropdown to make sure the more urgent tasks are completed first. If you already know who's going to be taking on the task, you can go ahead and assign it to them like this, whether it's a specific person or a group of team members. Members of that group can assign the task to themselves through the Guesty mobile app, and you can even assign a supervisor right here. If you prefer to assign this task later, feel free to leave this section blank. Keep in mind, recurring tasks create a series of individual tasks that appear according to the settings you chose, once a week, once a month, and so on. When a team member assigns a group task to themselves, they are only in charge of completing this specific task, and not all the tasks in the series. Each individual task will be assigned to the first team member who grabs it when it opens for assigning. Finally, let's select the properties this task applies to. Choosing All means this task will apply to all of your existing and future properties. However, you can always exclude specific properties right here. Choosing by Rule allows you to apply the task to properties in a specific city, to properties that have a specific tag, or to properties with any combination of both. Keep in mind, any new properties in the chosen city or with the chosen tags will be added to this task automatically. Choosing Specific will allow you to manually choose the properties for this task, and choosing Reservation if the task is related to a specific reservation. Keep in mind, when a task is applied to multiple properties, an individual task will be created for each assigned property. In this case, let's select all of the properties, click Save, and that's it. The recurring task is all set and ready to go. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.